Good morning. It's a bit of a breather for the equity markets here in India, and in fact you have the Nifty 50 that's currently gaining about 0.4% off the day's highs, but certainly it is, like I said, a breather after 3 days on the trot of declines, both for the benchmarks and for the broader markets. Yesterday, of course, we ended off the day's lows, recovering quite smartly from that point. The broader markets at this juncture are trading with gains of about 0.4% for the midcap index and 0.3% for the small cap index. Now, the market breadth is very firmly in favor of the advances. Unlike what you've seen in the past few sessions, you have more than 2 gainers for every loser on the national stock exchange. Now, take a closer look at what are the factors that are affecting trade today. Of course, the global factors are something that you have to watch out for, and US equity markets hit an all-time high. That is on the back of strong corporate results there. You also have a large part of the Asian market that is trading positively in trade today. Now, what are the sectors that are in focus today? Clearly, realty, media, FMCG are leading the pack. You also have gains in banks and NBFCs. In fact, Bajaj Finserv, the top gainer on the Nifty 50 right now, gaining as much as 2.8%. HDFC is gaining 2.5% as well. And then you have the likes of Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, Titan, Tech Mahindra, HDFC Bank, Hero MotoCorp, HUL all gaining. Among the losers, you have the metals that are underperforming again today. You have Hindalco is the top loser on the Nifty 50, down about 2.3%. JSW Steel down 1.5% or so. Coal India, Asian Paints losing ground, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, NTPC all losing ground. From the broader markets, IEX once again among the gainers, gaining about 4.5% or so. Muthoot Finance in focus, like I said, among the NBFCs, the gold loan companies, certainly some to watch. Bharat Forge gaining about 2.9% as well, and Manappuram Finance also gaining about 2.2% or so. But the factor that you have to watch out for today, of course, and the big talking point is going to be Reliance Industries. Of course, the results are going to be post-market hours. Ahead of its results, it's trading just a bit muted. It's trading flat with very marginal gains, about 0.2% or so. And it's broadly expected to be a good quarter for Reliance Industries. But remember, on the earnings front, over the course of the weekend and next week, you have a little over 30% of the weightage of the Nifty that is posting its results. So by the end of next week, you will have a firm picture of where things stand, whether earnings have broadly met expectations or if they have been under expectations. And that's perhaps going to color how things are going to move going forward. Of course, over the last few sessions, you've seen quite a bit of the froth that you could have seen in some of the names that have risen very quickly taken out. So there is a bit of a churn that is taking place. VIX, having cooled off, is still elevated above 17. It is 17.5 or 17.6 right now. It was above 18 yesterday. So certainly some things to watch out for. Right now, I guess it would be wait and watch to see how earnings pan out.